Welcome back to another episode of Automotive Insight. Today's repair is a 2012 Volkswagen Passat SE 2.5 liter. We're going to be replacing the CV axles. The boots are torn and leaking, so we're going to be replacing both left and right CV axle assemblies. Let's get to it. That's the torn boots on both sides. Front wheel bolts are 17 millimeters. Going to unseat the ABS harness. Undo the brake line clip. Remove the CV axle bolt. It is a 24 millimeter 12 point or 15/16. All right, we got our CV axle bolt removed. We're going to take an air hammer all the way into the axle. Remove the 3 nuts for the lower ball joint. They're 16 millimeters. You can just pull down on the control arm. All right, we're going to remove our lower engine cover. There's 2 different size torque spits. The smaller screws are T25s. There's 3 larger bolts at the back of the engine cover. They're T45s. All right, we're going to see if we can pop the inner CV joint out of the transmission. A lot of stuff happened off camera. So after getting our butt handed to us trying to get the driver's side CV axle out, which we finally did, I'll have a picture. I'll post a picture of what I ended up having to do to get it out. It was stuck in there. But anyway, it is out. That's why the fender liner's removed. Sway bar links removed. Anyway, we got our new axle. I put some anti-seize on the end of it. I'll put the opening of the C-clip down. Put our axle back in the hub. We're going to tighten up our ball joint bolts. Put our bolt in and tighten it down to 148 foot-pounds. Torque the axle bolt to 148 foot-pounds. We marked our bolt, and now we're going to do 180. I guess it's... So undoing these is not necessary. Bink. Well, that wraps up the Volkswagen. We got both axles replaced. The driver's side was a lot harder than necessary, but it cost a $25 pair of sacrificial vice grips. But anyway, it got the job done. So one axle cost about $200. The other was about $150. Labor calls for about 3 hours. Anyway, well, that wraps us up. I may not have all your answers. Hopefully I had some. That being said, I'll see you on the next one. Sugar